If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Google Pixel 10a, what you can do is you can use the Android switch. On Google Pixel 10a, in order to find Google Switch, you just have to go to the settings. Now over here in settings, search for backup or copy data. Next in here we have copy data using Android switch, so let's select it. Over here we need to press start, we need to choose iPhone or iPad. And in the meantime, on iPhone we can go to the App Store, and you should be able to search for Android switch. This is the app that we are of course using to transfer the data. There we go. So this is the app that you need to get on your iPhone. Once you get it, you should be able to tap on next on Google Pixel 10a over here. And you have the instruction that tells you that you can use a cable that fits both devices in order to transfer data. But in this case, we're gonna use the wireless method. So we're gonna choose cable doesn't fit in here, and then we can confirm by choosing copy without cable. And there we go. Now we can scan the QR code. So we can choose copy data in here in order to scan the QR code. There we go. And now we need to wait for both devices to connect. Of course, confirm that you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Afterwards, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. So you can transfer contacts, calendar events, photos, videos, and probably some other files as well. You can of course exclude something by tapping on these switchers, and once you are ready, you can just tap on continue and follow the rest of the instructions. And you may notice that unfortunately you cannot transfer apps from iPhone to Android, simply because apps on iPhone, on iOS, are built in a slightly different way than on Android. So in order to get your apps, you will have to use the Play Store. You will need to download them manually by yourself. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.